Cracks and holes in concrete driveways or walkways are not just eyesores. They can get worse over time if left untreated. The good news is, patching concrete is an easy DIY project that can make your surfaces look new again and prevent costly repairs later. Here's how to patch concrete and driveways the right way. Start by cleaning the damaged area thoroughly. Sweep away dirt, leaves, and debris, then use a wire brush or pressure washer to remove any loose concrete. A clean surface helps the patching material stick properly. If oil or grease is present, scrub it with a degreaser and rinse well. Let the area dry completely before continuing. Next, use a chisel and hammer to slightly widen small cracks or holes. This may seem backward, but it helps the patching compound bond better. Chip away any loose edges and brush out the dust. For small cracks, less than ½ inch wide, use a concrete crack filler or patching compound. These come in tubes that fit a standard caulking gun. Cut the tip, fill the crack slowly, and smooth the surface with a putty knife. Let it dry, according to the instructions, before walking or driving over it. For larger cracks or holes, use a ready-mix concrete patch. In a bucket, mix the compound with water until it has a thick, spreadable consistency. Dampen the repair area slightly, but don't leave standing water. Then trowel the patching mix into the crack or hole. Press firmly to eliminate air pockets and build it slightly higher than the surrounding surface, since it will shrink a little as it cures. Smooth the surface with the trowel, feathering the edges into the existing concrete for a seamless finish. For textured surfaces, you can use a broom or sponge to match the surrounding look before it fully hardens. If you're repairing a driveway, make sure to use a patching compound designed for heavy traffic. Some products are labeled for driveways or outdoor use and can handle vehicle weight and weather changes better. For deep or wide areas, patch in layers no more than ½ inch thick, letting each layer cure before adding the next. This prevents cracking and ensures long-term strength. Once the repair has dried, protect it with a concrete sealer. This keeps water, oil, and salt from penetrating the surface and causing new cracks. Sealers can be applied with a roller or sprayer and should be reapplied every few years for maximum durability. A few pro tips. Avoid patching on extremely hot or cold days, as temperature extremes can affect curing. Always wear gloves and eye protection when working with concrete, and keep the repaired area damp for the first few days. Light misting helps the concrete cure more evenly and prevents premature cracking. Patching concrete and driveways takes a little effort, but it's one of the most effective ways to preserve your home's exterior. With proper prep and the right materials, you'll have a strong, smooth surface that looks great and lasts for years.